Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your control settings on the PowerWash Simulator game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the PowerWash Simulator game on your device. And once you start your game, if you wish to change your control settings, then in order to do so, just pause the game by pressing the escape button. Then from the home menu, click on the gear icon at the top section. And now from the settings page, click on controls at the bottom. You will then see the various different control presets. You can click on the drop-down menu and then switch between classic or modern. Aside from this, there is no particular option to customize your controls. So just toggle between modern and classic and you will see some changes between the two of them. After you have found your desired control pattern, you can just go back and your settings will be saved. And now you can continue to play with your newly set up pattern or control scheme. You may go back to this menu at any point of time to change it once again by following the same steps. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your control settings on the PowerWash Simulator game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next video.